basically we welcome you in the Showbiz 3.0 Shepreneur. This exhibition is exclusively for females.
For female, by the female, for the female on this special Women's Day.
Alright.
And we are showcasing 34 plus brands जो lead कर रही है females only. So we want their brand to be promoted worldwide.
Alright, thank you so much.
Looking forward for you in these 2 days.
Thank you. So the brand name is?
Atma Namaste, welcome to Polki Essence by Neelam Kothari. My name is Aishwarya Jain. I am here to show you around today to our exquisite collection of bridal statement jewellery pieces. If you could look towards there, you could see some traditional Kantha pattern jewellery in moissanite stone and with emerald here. And these pieces are known for being unisex, wherein in the olden times, both men and women both would adorn these kind of ornaments, and these are very exquisite for the bridal collection for this year.
Alright, lovely collection.
Thank you so much.
Is a diamond solitaire jewelry brand. Hello sir.
Hi,
Yes, your USP.
we are making specially all kind of diamond jewelry and that comes in real as well as lab grown diamond jewelry.
Perfect.
અને અમારી યુએસપી છે જે અમે કાર્ડની પાછળ સ્પેશિયલી લખાવડાવી છે ફિનિશિંગ ક્વોલિટી ટ્રસ્ટ એન્ડ પ્રાઇસ
Yes.
સો બેસ્ટ ફિનિશિંગ એક્સપોર્ટ ફિનિશિંગ 100% ટ્રસ્ટ એન્ડ કમ્પેર ટુ રિટેલ મિનિમમ 30% બેનિફિટ
Wow.
અને અમારી શોપ છે ઇસ્કોન એમ્પોરિયો સેટેલાઇટ.
Okay. Look at these. These are all natural diamonds and mix of lab grown diamonds as well. They are into customization. अगर आपको कुछ भी customize कराना हो, they have that. And they are here for 2 days. तो आप इनसे आके बात भी कर सकते हैं. You can visit their store. So these are some nice rings they have. Then they have engagement rings if you want, like solitaire. Earrings and pendant sets. So this is Aurita Diamonds. As the name suggests, they have everything diamond, and their range starts from just 7,000. And their main motive is that all women should wear diamonds. So they are making it affordable for you guys. These are 4 pieces, and we have something like this. And we have rings, tennis bracelets, with kadas. So we have a special brand here. This is the brand name, and they have Holi hampers here. So Holi is very nearby. These are all skin-friendly products and all natural and handmade. So these are some cute hampers that they have curated. Look at this. Very, very cute. And they also have customized t-shirts for Holi. So as a group you can wear one t-shirt and play Holi. Look at these. These are all the different brands. And then we have Anushri Boutique. They have very beautiful suit pieces. Look at these. We have full sets. This is brand called Icon from their these trolleys that you can travel with, hold your coffee mugs. Then we have slings here, bags, we have backpacks. These are very different kind of bags. Personally love them. Then we have brands here called clothing. Can you show us few pieces? So let's check out the pieces. These are the dresses in color block. We have spaghetti. Red. Then we have jewelry. brand First Bow, all for kids. Look at this. You will get some nice cute products for kids. These are all different types of caps. Then we have summer night suits. We have t-shirts. Look at these. These are all for boys and girls both. Yes, for boys and girls both. Then we have very cute swimwear. Panda, that's the brand name. Then we have jewelry brands here. These are all different types of jewelry. This is brand called Tira Heads, and I want to show you their pieces. This is pure Jardozi blouse. That's the very pretty dupatta, and that's the chania. So they have such more exquisite pieces. Again, this is that, and then they have something in ready-made as well. Look at this green. Then we have yellow. Then something in tissue. Something for your haldi mehndi outfit. And this is in velvet. We have floral, and she's also wearing a very pretty sari, and she's also wearing a beautiful sari. We also have some fusion jewelry by Silver Studio. These are the kadas, very pretty